All right. So we've got our harness bar. And then check them gaps, dude. Check it out. This is fucking epic. This isn't actually a gap. This is where I ground it flat. And this one here is a little bit more tapered. So it looks closer than this one, but this is actually very close. Wish I could get some light on that. But straight up and around, I need to, I will be popping this tack because I still have to be able to get in and out of here. So this bar here is just tacked in. This one here, I could weld solid if I want, but I will be popping these tacks and then taping this piece here to this bar here, so that way it's out of the way, but I don't lose it. I cut my plates. We're gonna grind this shit off here. We're gonna put a 3" by 3" plate here, weld that to this, and then weld this to that plate. Just kind of disperses the weight a little bit. I can't go through this because the shift linkage, e-brake cables, all of that stuff go through here, and I don't want to damage it. And the brake hydraulic lines go through here too. We don't want to damage shit. So that's the harness bar, these gaps here. Then we're gonna do one from this corner, and we're gonna come down to meet these two, and then we're gonna come off of there and go back down to this corner, and then we've got a piece that'll come across here. Then we're gonna run a piece from down here up this to here, like so, and try and leave enough room. We're gonna cut a hole here so that way the shocks and coilovers, if he decides to go with coilovers, but I know he's gonna go with long travel shocks, comes up through that hole, and then we're gonna do something around in here. We're gonna build the cage, and then he's gonna buy shocks that fit it. That's not the way I would suggest doing it, but he doesn't have the money for those shocks right now, so that's what he's gonna do. I would also like to take a bar from here out to here with a bend, and then follow this up to here, and possibly even come like down into here or something, but those things are unnecessary. Let me get turned around here. This bar here, we're going to have to do some trimming to it to make that fit. But we are going to have that bar there as our crossbar. It's a little, I cut it off long. It's actually going to be closer to right around here, about 1 inch too long on each side. That's it for this minute. All right, well, the seat mounts are in. The seats are not mounted because I want the owner of the car to come and test fit, so that way we can move things around. So the brackets are just tacked in. We can go back another 2 inches. We can tilt it back a couple inches if he wants. But the dash bar is cut and fitted. We just gotta clean it up and weld it in. These bars here are in. We still gotta do the other diagonal and the bar here on the floor. And then, because I don't know what we're doing back here. I don't know if he's putting the fuel tank here or down here, batteries, toolbox. I did see a guy that had an aluminum toolbox back there. It was really fucking sweet. And then he had a fuel port right here with a long, narrow tank that sat between his roll bars, which is one of the reasons I have not done this bar or the crossbars yet. But at least the seats are in it, and it fits me. I'm 6'2", and I fit in it very comfortably. That's where we're at for right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe.